BioBrace Augmentation is designed to provide supplemental strength and healing to soft tissue where weakness exists. BioBrace is compatible with a variety of Achilles tendon repair techniques. Make a posterior midline incision. Debride and remove any tendinopathic tissue. Reflect the central Achilles tendon off the calcaneus. Resect Hagelin's deformity using a saw or osteotome. Smooth the edges with a rasp and excise the bursa. Mark proximal row insertion sites on the calcaneus. Drill pilot holes perpendicular to bone using the guide. Insert tap clockwise until fully seated. Insert 2 Hercules fully threaded anchors loaded with bite force suture and needles using the driver assembly. Pass each suture limb in simple fashion through the Achilles tendon. Pass all 4 suture limbs through BioBrace's edge. While maintaining tension for easier gliding, slide BioBrace down until it contacts the Achilles. Drill for the Hercules knotless anchor. Drill full depth until the guide stops the drill. Retrieve 1 blue and 1 white suture tail. Preload tails through the first distal anchor eyelet. Align sutures with channels before advancing the implant. Insert anchors into distal holes and mallet to seat. Turn anchor 1/4 clockwise and pull straight back. Cut the tails on the suture flush to the anchor and complete repair.